Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You want to click on the gear icon. And when you're on the settings and privacy, you want to select the Meta Account Center. You click on Meta Account Center, and then you want to head to the lower side of the screen, the menu that is called Account Settings. Here you want to click on Personal Details, the second option. When you launch the Personal Details, you will have the option that is called Account Ownership and Control. Click on it. When you're on Account Ownership and Control, you will have the option to deactivate or delete your account. When you click on deactivation or deletion of the account, you will have not only your Facebook account, but you will have other Facebook accounts that are logged in and they're connected to this account. But you will also have a bunch of, I assume, Facebook, Instagram pages. So you will be able to not only delete your Facebook account, but you will be able to delete your Instagram pages from here as well. In some cases, you will have Facebook pages as well. So all you gotta do is to select the account that you want to delete and then simply press delete. You will have the option also to deactivate the account. If you're not sure that you really want to quit the platform or simply to delete all the search history and all the uploads, you can simply deactivate your account. Very important note is that when you click delete your account, you will have up to 30 days to go back and recover the account. After these 30 days expire, well, you'll no longer be able to recover your account and your data. So you want to make sure that you really understand what you're trying to achieve and what is the goal of the whole actions. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.